G'day mates, welcome to part 2 of my Frankensurron Dual motor Surron build. Today we're going to be building the battery pack. So the reason I got into Surrons is I actually own a drone company and we build heavy lift unmanned helicopters, and these are the batteries out of them. These are Maxamps 22,000 milliamp hour 7S batteries. They cost $800 each. And they happen to fit perfectly in the battery bay of the Surron. If you stack them like this, you can fit 6 in a stack. This is the reason I think 40 horsepower at the rear wheel is possible, because I have these batteries. I would never go out and buy these, I'm not that rich, but because I have them, hell, why not? So, if we go over the specs of the battery pack, these are 7S cells, batteries, but they actually have 14 cells. So there's 14 11,000 milliamp hour cells in here in 7S 2P. So a stack like this, that's 21S, but I want to bump it up to 25S for 92.5 volts nominal and 44 amp hours. So I want 40 horsepower at the rear wheel. So I'm going to need about 40 kilowatts going into the motors for that, assuming 25% drivetrain losses and motor losses. So we need, at 92.5 volts, we need 432 amps at 25S. So each one of these batteries will be pushing out 216 amps because I'm running in two in parallel. So that's 10C. These batteries are actually rated for 40C discharge. They're not actually good for 40C. That's complete bullshit. But in my tests, I've proven that they can do 10, at least in a burst. On my drone, they run 125 amps continuous. So 216 amps burst should be out of the question. So what I'm going to do to get from 21S to 25S is that I'm going to build 2 packs of that are 4S, just to get from 21 to 25. So these 2 packs here have dead cells. So I'm going to chop out the dead cells and I'm going to reassemble, desolder all the tabs. I'm going to reassemble them into 4S packs and heat shrink them. And I think I'm going to run the 2 extra batteries just in front of the main battery pack, currently where the ESC sits. I'm going to run different ESCs. It should give me the room to do that. So yeah, let's get cracking.
Okay, so this is my 2 semi-complete battery packs. So as you can see, we got 8 cells in each. So they're 4S 2P each. Yeah, I just basically removed all the cells from this end. It worked out pretty well. And the same from this, the dead cells were all up here. So took them out, resoldered these, unplugged the unused balance leads, and let's get them heat shrunk. Okay, so here is my finished battery stack. This is what it will look like in the bike. I probably actually will end up just running these two batteries on top. I'll have to build a cover over there when it's sitting in the bike, but that's a 44,000 milliamp hour 25S pack. It should be good for 40 kilowatts. Hopefully the voltage sag isn't too severe. We'll just have to test it and try it, but it looks pretty good. So the current plastic cap comes to here. So these two will just protrude out the top. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to build a new cap or something for that, but we'll get it figured out. So cool. That's it. Thanks.